Welcome to OFAD, a continuing series of flower arranging ideas and designs brought to you by the Organization of Floral Art Designers. My name is Sahshah Middleton. I'm from the Sogetsu School. I'm going to show you how to make this creation using zip ties. It's very easy. You must just make sure that the knob is on the outside, and we pull it a little bit and create a little teardrop, and then we connect it with another zip tie, and we create a chain like this, and then we create a loop like this that we can close up by stitching it, and you can dye it with food coloring or fabric dyes. And here you can see there's a little bit of pink in it, and you can create all kinds of shapes, and then you can insert it within each other to create sculptures. You can have the pieces sticking outside, or you can turn it in. And it's a very flexible material because it's made out of nylon, and you create different kinds of shapes with it, and it will enhance your arrangement. I created this design, and I've secured it to my vase. And I'm going to use some old flowers that you can give a second life to. I've taken some sunflowers, and I've had this for a while, so I'm going to pull these out and just leave the heart of the sunflower. And I'm going to create a contrast using all these materials together, bringing the focus and textures to my arrangement. Like this, using just the flower heads of the sunflower. And because it is a little bit of pink, I'm going to take some Sweet William, which is a dianthus, which is a carnation flower, and it's called Sweet William, and they come in many colors. And I thought the pink with the rosy pink that I put in with my food coloring would add some nice contrast to this arrangement. See, there's a little something here on the bottom. And there's a lot of flexibility with this material because you can move it around and create more and more shapes by securing more and more pieces of zip tie. I'm going to add one more piece right here. And then to finish off my arrangement, we are very lucky here in the Bay Area to grow pincushion proteas. This is from my garden. Living in the Bay Area, we have a lot of multi-climates that we can grow leucadendrons, pincushion proteas, and it's very exciting. And I'm going to try and put this one in here. And I chose the pincushion proteas because it has a very similar shape and texture as my creation with the zip ties. And I thought it'd be a nice contrast to the brown of the sunflowers and the Sweet William. And since I'm an Asian designer from the Sogetsu School, I cannot use 4 flowers, I have to use 5 flowers because it's more harmonious. And odd numbers are usually more harmonious anyway. Because, you know, nature is not perfect. It's always asymmetrical. There's always an odd piece here and there, which creates a lot of character. So this is my arrangement, and I hope you enjoyed my demonstration. And thank you very much.